Are you constantly battling brain fog, struggling to remember names, or losing focus mid-task? What if I told you there's a simple, everyday drink that could unlock your brain's full potential? For students cramming for exams, professionals juggling deadlines, or anyone just wanting a sharper mind, finding that edge feels like a superpower. We're all searching for that magic bullet to boost our cognitive performance. Forget those expensive nootropics and energy drinks with questionable ingredients. Today, we're diving deep into the science behind the most effective, accessible beverage that can genuinely boost your focus, sharpen your memory, and keep your brain firing on all cylinders. And trust me, it's probably already in your pantry, waiting for you to unleash its hidden power. We've all been there, staring at a textbook, the words blurring, trying to recall a crucial detail in a meeting, only to draw a blank. Our modern lives demand constant cognitive effort, and our brains often struggle to keep up. When that happens, the temptation is strong to reach for a quick fix. Maybe it's another supersized coffee, a sugary energy drink, or a candy bar promising a jolt of energy. The problem? These are often short-lived bursts followed by an inevitable crash. You end up more tired, more jittery, and less focused than when you started. It's like pouring rocket fuel into an old engine. You get a momentary roar, but then you burn out. Our brains aren't just hungry for energy. They crave stability, protection, and a steady supply of specific compounds to perform at their best. They need hydration, sure, but also antioxidants to fight off the daily wear and tear, and compounds that can gently nudge them into a state of calm alertness. Think of your brain as a high-performance computer. You wouldn't load it with junk software or cheap, unstable power. You give it the best, most consistent resources available. So, what is this incredible, brain-boosting elixir? For centuries, cultures around the world have quietly understood its power. Modern science is now finally catching up to confirm what ancient wisdom has known. The answer lies in a humble leaf. We're talking about green tea. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Green tea? Really? That's it? But don't let its simplicity fool you. This isn't just about the caffeine. While green tea does contain caffeine, it's not the whole story. And that's precisely why it stands head and shoulders above a regular cup of coffee when it comes to focus and memory. The secret sauce in green tea, the real game changer for your brain, is an amino acid called L-theanine. Imagine your brain as a busy city. Caffeine by itself is like honking all the car horns at once. It gets attention, but it can be chaotic. L-theanine, on the other hand, is like a skilled traffic controller. It helps everything flow smoothly. When L-theanine and caffeine team up in green tea, they create a synergistic effect. L-theanine crosses the blood-brain barrier and increases alpha brainwave activity. These are the brainwaves associated with a state of relaxed alertness, meditation, and focused attention. Studies like one published in the Journal of Nutrition, Metabolism, and Cardiovascular Diseases have shown that L-theanine can significantly improve attention and reaction time, and reduce errors in demanding tasks. What this means for you is you get the wake-up call from the caffeine, but without the jitters, anxiety, or crash. Instead, you feel a calm, sustained focus, like a clear, steady beam of light, rather than a flickering strobe. This isn't just anecdotal. Research consistently backs up L-theanine's ability to enhance cognitive performance and mood. It's like having a superpower that lets you concentrate deeply on a complex problem while feeling cool as a cucumber. But green tea's brain benefits don't stop there. It's also packed with powerful antioxidants, especially one called epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG. This isn't just a fancy name. EGCG is a warrior for your brain health. It helps protect your brain cells from oxidative stress, which is essentially the rust and wear and tear of daily life. By reducing inflammation and protecting neurons, EGCG contributes to long-term brain health and has even been linked to improved memory and a reduced risk of cognitive decline in various studies. Think of EGCG as tiny, diligent construction workers constantly repairing and reinforcing the infrastructure of your mind. So, how do you get the most out of your green tea for optimal brain power? First, quality matters. Opt for high-quality, loose-leaf green tea, or even matcha, which is a powdered form of green tea, as it contains higher concentrations of L-theanine and EGCG, because you consume the entire leaf. Second, brewing technique is key. Don't use boiling water. It can make green tea bitter and destroy some of its delicate compounds. Aim for water around 175 degrees Fahrenheit, 80 degrees Celsius, and steep for about 2 to 3 minutes. Third, timing. Many find drinking a cup in the morning or about an hour before a demanding study session or work task to be most effective. Avoid adding sugar or milk, as these can dilute the benefits and potentially contribute to a sugar crash. Green tea isn't just a refreshing beverage. It's a meticulously crafted brain tonic from nature itself. With its unique blend of L-theanine, balanced caffeine, and powerful antioxidants, it offers a sustainable, jitter-free path to enhanced focus, sharper memory, and overall cognitive well-being. Ditch the quick fixes and embrace this ancient wisdom for a truly sharper mind. If you want to discover more natural ways to boost your brain power, click on this video right here. Thank you for watching.